Hey guys, welcome back. We're talking to Ed. Yes, another video, another unboxing. I told you guys we're gonna have unboxing all this week, plus a bunch of interviews and videos, like I did before. Still some talking videos around the city here. And hey, I hope you had a great Veterans Day for all you brothers and sisters out there. And thank you for all your emails and messages. Appreciate you guys, all of you guys. And hey, and yeah, I mean, I've been telling you guys, wait. If you don't have money to get all these stuff, wait and check your outlets. I'm told you that check your outlets. The outlets are full of sneakers. I mean, sneakers are like good sneakers. I'm telling you about, of course, outlets go full of sneakers, but the Nike outlet is full of, I mean, crazy deals. So if you got one near you, go check it out. So you saw the last video I got it for almost 50-60 bucks. So why not wait, and then you can have it. So right now I got another unboxing. It was a couple weeks ago. I was traveling, but it got here after that. Like I say, I got this one. This came in probably last year and this year. Let me see, check here. Yeah, I think last year, the beginning of this year. And I wait. I'm working it enough, so I waited, and then I think I got this for way cheaper than the other one. So let's check it out. Here you go, and here it is. It's a white Nike box. Okay, it's good for the thumbnail. All right, okay. And this is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White University Red. Of course, white and red. So let's unbox it right now. Let's look at it. Ooh, I like it already. Look at this. A regular paper. And let's check it out. And it's super nice. The Jordan 1s. And I got the two laces. There's the other one. I always show it both of them. And there you go. And the black one. So that's kind of cool. Black laces. There you go. I definitely I like all of them, but these are nice. They're super nice. I think this came in last year, I'm mistaken, or the beginning of this year. Unless I'm mistaken, this one came in. So yeah, Air Jordan 1s. Ones, of course, mean they're, for me, are comfortable. I like them, and it comes with the cardboard steel toe there. And yeah, guys, look at this, very nice. I like the laces. I might wear the put them with the red laces, kind of cool. Getting red laces and black, probably red and black. Gonna combine them, but yeah, really good. I ordered these ones a couple months, last month. I was in Miami when these came in. So I can tell you guys, check the outlets. You're gonna see a lot of good sneakers. Jordan 1s, 4s, 3s. I mean a lot. Not regular one, but you got me a lot. So check the Nike outlets. And I mean, this is I can't put too much. I like the sneakers, and like I said, if you can find a lot of deals. Like I like when they have the leather here and then the Nike symbol here. But guys, wait! Don't get desperate. I can't find it now. Eventually, it will go to the outlets. And you can find good deals like these ones and the other ones that I showed you in the last video. So 2 Jordan 1 for less than $60. Let's face it like that. So hey, you can get those deals like Siloco, and I know Superfly be like, get those deals, get it. So I know they probably have these ones. I know they do the review on them in depth. I just show you around, show the sneakers and see it. I mean, I've been doing videos lately, so I got a couple unboxing to do. I mean, I've been on the road for months and months, and I finally got the chance to review them. And I like the laces, though. Kind of cool, the laces here. But that, guys, if you don't get discouraged, or if you're like a sneaker veteran and you miss out. Don't worry. Sooner or later, it's gonna end up in the outlets. Of course, not no Travis Scotts or nothing like that, but regular sneakers, 4s, 1s, 3s, I think 9s. I saw a couple of 9s in the outlet. I saw 14s though in the outlet too. So shop around, look around, and Black Friday is coming soon. So check those deals and steals over there. There's a couple of deals. There's probably do it, but then Christmas. Okay, so if you still write your notes for Santa Claus, make sure you write your notes, and hey, give me a gift card from Nike outlet, so or anything like that. So hope you enjoy, guys. Hope this is a quick unboxing. My Jordan 1, red and white. Yeah, it's red and white. You see red and white. So so I appreciate you guys for all the support, and we'll roll for 15,000, and we're gonna hit it. We're gonna make it soon. So we got 2 months to hit it. So if not, it's okay. We still got next year to hit at least 20,000. So that's my point for next year: hit 25,000. So a quarter of 100. So, but thank you guys. We're gonna do a lot of stuff going this month, and of course Black Friday, and then Thanksgiving and Christmas, and a bunch of stuff going on. So here in Daytona, we're gonna do a lot of stuff in good weather, so I don't have to deal with the cold. So I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing, and see you in a couple of days. We're gonna go outside and do a lot of walking blog and stuff like that, like I used to do in the beginning of Talking with Ed. Walk around and talking and interview people around. See what they think about what's going on in this new 4 years, right? We got a brand new president. You like him or not, but we have one. So the people have spoken, and we have a new one. So let's see how they do. Let's see how they help the veterans. My concern is more the veterans and anything else around. So I'm not into the politics or stuff like that. I'm like help every single veterans, and hope they get the help they need. So, and hopefully get this economy better, because everything's expensive. So, all right, guys. So thank you very much. I see you guys in the next video. And like I always said, you only have one life. Enjoy your max, and always believe in yourself. I see you guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take